The Logic and Event Link Controller (ELCL) of the RL78 is a feature that directly connects events outputted by each peripheral function among peripheral functions, and combines them with any logic function. This function allows direct communication between peripheral functions without CPU intervention. Therefore, when an event occurs, peripheral functions can be started quickly. Even in standby mode, peripheral functions can be linked, allowing them to be activated without waking up the CPU when an event occurs in standby mode. This enables low power consumption by activating peripheral functions without CPU intervention. In addition, event signals from peripheral functions can be linked through logic functions such as AND circuits, OR circuits, flip-flops and so more. This feature enables the linking of not only simple combinations but also numerous combinations with various conditions. This video explains how to monitor multiple input signals, parameters, in hardware using the ELCL function of the RL78G23. Link the 4 input signals to the 3 ORs, and link the generated signal to output E. In addition, link the 4 input signals to the flip-flops, and link the output of the flip-flops to the monitor register. Thereby it is possible to confirm the state of the input signal by reading the monitor register. The development environment is shown in the table. For details, please refer to the application note RL78G23 ELCL, Multiple Parameter Monitoring Function. The video is composed of 3 parts. In this video, we will introduce Part 1, creating the project. First, create a new project. Select File, New, Renesas C++ Project, Renesas RL78. And all, Renesas CCRL, C++ Executable Project. Enter the project name and click the Next. Set the target board to RL78G23 64-pin fast prototyping board. Proceed with the Next, and check Use Smart Configurator and click the Finish here. The project creation is finished. The Smart Configurator screen will automatically open. By using the Smart Configurator, you can flexibly customize pin function settings according to specifications and add drivers with GUI operations. In the next video, we will introduce the configuration method according to the application note RL78G23 ELCL, Multiple Parameter Monitoring Function. Please continue watching.